The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla.
No to blood clot. No, yo, me not laugh, yo. No, sir.
Well, viewers and subscribers, I think that the dog shown in that video that I just presented to you is used to riding on that motorcycle shown in that video that I just presented to you. Yes, I think so. You see? I'm not going to say much about that video because I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Alright, now big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall skilla. Me there again. You see it? Now in this video I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. But before I present any more of those videos to you, I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is circulating on social media where some persons on social media believe that this video is about a man and a woman who after years of marriage with kids found out that they are brother and sister. Now I want to point out a few things about this video because I do not believe some of the things that have been said on social media about this video. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me if you believe that this video is about a man and a woman who after years of marriage with kids found out that they are brother and sister, or if you do not believe that this video is about a man and a woman who after years of marriage found out that they are brother and sister. Let me know what you think. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Alright, so I met this lady in 2008. We got married in 2011. We had our first child in 2011. We had our second child in 2015. We've been married for 10 years. We've been together for 13 years. We just recently found out we're brothers and sisters.
Viewers and subscribers, I wondered why the video had been cut at that part. I wonder if there's more to that video that is circulating on social media. See? That's one of the reasons why I do not 100% believe that the video is actually about a man and a woman who after years of marriage with kids found out that they are brother and sister. You have some persons who sometimes will cut a video at a certain point and post it on social media and make the video seems as if the video is about something that the video is not about. And I really love you subscribers. Me look at the video carefully and me notice the man and the woman might have similar features on their face, like mouth and eyes. You see what I said to you? Yeah. But and I really still viewing subscribers, the video I'm wondering. Now, if that video is about a man and a woman who after years of marriage with kids found out that they are brother and sister, then viewers and subscribers, I wonder how that happened. How did that happen? And for me to 100% believe that the video is about a man and a woman who after years of marriage with kids found out that they are brother and sister, either the man or the woman would have to specifically say so in a video, or I get some form of confirmed evidence or proof that the video is about a man and a woman who after years of marriage with kids found out that they are brother and sister. Viewers and subscribers, do not be quick to believe everything you see and hear on social media. Alright? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a female, and you're going to hear a person talking in the background of this video. Now according to some things that the person in the background of the video said, I got the understanding that he called the female shown in the video Badmind. The person who you can hear talking in the background of this video said other things as well, viewers and subscribers. Now let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding as to why the person who you can hear talking in the background of this video called the female shown in the video Badmind. See? Now, some harsh languages had been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
No, me make a video already with that woman and a corrupt bad mind to man, you see me? That corrupt bad mind to man, you see me? Corrupt woman, self on the roadside just like myself, yeah. Now I'm and him alone there on the blood clot stand. See, they stand empty. And look where woman come park in blood clot car again. All him have a blouse and skirt though, I just go in front of me car go park. Big space today. And look where that corrupt to man a parking car. Eh? Look on the corrupt woman, see me? Corrupt bad mind people them. See me? Look on his face, look on his head. Corrupt people them.
My people, there are more than one side to a story. Some persons might say that there are more than two sides to a story. I have some Jamaicans who run some very serious jokes at times. So please bear those things in mind. However, if that video that I just presented to you is actually about a serious situation, then I think that the person who you can hear talking in the background of the video, who claim to own one of the motor vehicles shown in the video, should move the motor vehicle that the person claim that the person own just for a peaceful life. Either the person move it a little bit up from the other motor vehicle or move it totally from the spot. That's what I think. See? The next video I'm going to present to you, this video shows a really sad situation. This video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video was recorded. According to some things that have been said on social media about the video, and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, I got the understanding that this video is about a man who lived at a certain place that is located somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago for 22 years. And then one day persons went to where the man lived and badly damaged his house. I do not have any confirmed information if the entire house had been totally destroyed. And according to some things that have been said on social media, allegedly it is said that the man was being forced to move from that location. A really sad situation. Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
So this is the current situation here. This gentleman has been living here for the past 22 years plus. Sir, good day. How long have you been occupying this premises?
22 and more.
Did you get any notice?
No.
Did anyone contact you, anything at all?
No.
No counselor, no minister?
No. You still come just breaking down. He get walk.
Right?
Understand? So he get walk to break down. He know up here, or why up here. We call it special guida order.
Yeah, guy, we came and we saw people breaking on this gentleman property.
Did they give me permission?
I mean, 22 years the man occupying this property here, taking care of your watch. The place has been clean.
Yeah, I look all wrong.
So we hope the authorities can get in contact with the gentleman to see how they can help him, because now he has nowhere to go.
Breaking down, then get walk.
Did you lose any documentation or anything or whatnot when they interfere with your property?
No. You come on the same day. She built this. Only just coming to break down. 22 years I live in up here. Only just coming and break down my place just so. Eh?
So we don't understand where they're carrying the materials to, or the man. I mean, this is what it is. We'll keep you guys further informed. I hope somebody can help and assist. Because there, if you notice, down the road, down the street, there's a backhoe coming to finish demolish the property.
Die the one.
and it's done.
That the gunman. That the command breakdown.
Alright.
Jano, viewers and subscribers, it's not the first time me see and hear about situations where someone build a house on a land that the person don't own. And then one day, persons just came to that place and just start destroying the house that the person built. This is something where me see and hear over and over quite a number of times. See? Me watch TV and see it on news reports. Me even see similar incidents with my own two eyes. See? Me see where at least 6 houses had been destroyed and persons forced to leave half of a land. Me see a tractor just come and start to push down the people house and mash up. It wasn't a pretty sight. It was not a pretty sight. Viewers and subscribers, look, it is wrong for someone to just go and build a house on someone's land without the person's permission or a contract signed. I know it is wrong. But at the same time, I don't like to see people suffer and go through certain things. I can't feel good. Anyways, my people, I just want to make you know about a few videos that are being talked about on social media. You can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.